In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a label in Canva. Start by opening Canva on your computer. On the home screen, move to the top right and click Create a Design. This opens a small menu where you can pick what kind of project you want to start. From there, look to the bottom of that menu and choose Custom Size. This option lets you control the exact dimensions of your label instead of using a preset template. You should now see width and height boxes on the screen, along with a unit selector. Now enter your desired label size, such as 3 by 2 inches. Type the width in the first box and the height in the second box. Make sure the unit is set to inches so the printed label matches your real-world size. Once those numbers are in place, click Create New Design. Canva opens a new tab with a blank page at the exact size you chose. You will see the page in the center and the toolbar on the left side ready to use. Next up, go to Elements, then Shapes, and add a rectangle or a rounded rectangle. Click Elements on the left, scroll until you see Basic Shapes, then choose the rectangle style that matches the look you want. A new shape will appear on your label canvas as soon as you click it. With that shape on the page, resize the shape to fit your label. Drag the corners to make it fill most of the canvas, leaving a small margin if you like a border. You can also drag from the sides to change only the width or only the height for a more custom look. After that, change the color of the shape. Use the color tile in the toolbar at the top and pick a color from the palette or add a custom color code. You will see the shape update instantly, which makes it easy to test a few colors until the background feels right. Now click Text, then add a text box. A new text box will appear on top of your label, usually with sample words in it. This is where the actual wording of your label will go. Type your label text. Replace the sample words with whatever you want the label to say, such as a product name or category. If you need 2 lines, press Enter to move part of the text to the next line and keep it readable. Next, adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. Use the toolbar above the canvas to pick a font style that matches your brand. Increase or decrease the size so it is easy to read, and choose a text color that contrasts with the background. Set the alignment to center if you want the text perfectly centered inside the shape, which is a common choice for labels. At this point, select the shape and text, then click Group to keep them together. Click once on the shape, hold the Shift key, and click the text so both are highlighted, then hit Group in the top toolbar. Now when you move or resize the label, the background and text stay locked together and cannot slip out of alignment by accident. Finally, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print if you are going to print it. In the Download panel, select PDF Print for the sharpest quality, then click the Download button to save it to your computer. You now have a ready-to-print label file created to your exact size in Canva. If this helped you get a clean printable label, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Canva tips like this.